Hello. Hello. Okay, I can hear myself. That's cool. Now we move. Okay. So, what I want to go ahead and do first is download this. Okay. Let's see. Genium image manipulation program. Let's see. You installed. Okay. Where do I even start? Okay, file. Create a new image. Size. Pixels. Yeah, we're gonna do 128 by 32. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's do this. How do I make this smaller? Size. How do I do like 50? Yeah, that does make it smaller. Okay. It's not what we want. So what am I doing here? Okay, I guess maybe this could use some explaining. Hold on though. That's pretty bad. Okay, let's see. Let me take a second to remember. I'm building a macro board, and I have a screen on it. I can actually, I guess I can, what is it? That gets me this. Okay, whatever, who cares? Okay, so I'm here. It's kind of dark in here. Alright, I guess I'll just do this. I've been messing around with this for the screen, trying to like figure out how the screen's gonna work, because I haven't used an I2C screen ever. I just used an LCD, like one of those like 12-pin ones, probably more pins than that, honestly. But like right now, I have it running like this little. Can't really see it. All my freaking camera's pretty bad. but it's counting 1, 2, 3, with like these really random PNGs that I found online. And so I've been messing with that, and I want to start planning on what the actual images I'm going to be showing are going to be, I think. Yeah, what they're going to end up being. So, yeah. Like, let's see, order here again. Okay, wrong. Okay. Like, let's draw this guy. Oh my goodness. Why can't I? How do I set this to something quicker? So like if we draw this, like if I have this on there, that would be funny. Wow, they're all different. That's pretty cool. But yeah. So I'm gonna try and draw something. I really don't know. Oh, and because, okay, I'll show you some more info, right? Oh, this is one. Turn this off for now. Okay, so, let's see. What was I gonna do? Oh, yes. Sorry, I get very distracted. I'll play music in a bit. But if I go here, don't mind my bad README file. I'm gonna update that later. But so yeah, see here I have the Hyperland macro board. I would show the design, but I don't really want to like put my freaking laptop through it all. Just know it's gonna have a screen. It's gonna be powered by microcontroller, the Pro Micro, and a knob. Hopefully, a knob that's also serves as a button. It's a UC11 encoder, rotary encoder. That's also a button, which is awesome. But I have everything I need here, I suppose. Like these are my case files, all the parts, and my dot files for Hyperland. This I don't really use, but like, so you can like see where my defaults. Not this. Where is it? Keybinds. Right. So, yeah. Then you see all these keybinds here. Not all of them. I'm not gonna use all of them. But I'm most likely obviously we use Discord, probably Lock, Spotify. I don't have right now because I use NC Spot and I haven't found a way to. Like, I need to figure out how to do that. I thought this would work, but it doesn't. Steam probably, browser for sure, the terminal of course. This definitely not. No, definitely. No. And I'll probably use some other ones. What does that do actually? Oh, that's cool. That's good to know actually. But yeah, so its main use is going to be for Hyperland shortcuts. Oh, but they'll serve as other things. What was it gonna say? Oh yeah, and the PCB is already designed. I guess I can show you that. JLCPCB, where what was it? Am I signed in? I am. Let's check. Oh, I have 0. Okay. Okay, so we go here. Hopefully it shows up. Yeah, so this is the one. it's not. You get the. Yeah, okay. You get the point, right? Kind of looking at it like this. So can't see the knob, but the knob's on the open image and new tab. I don't do that. But here are the switches. The Pro Micro is there. It's on the bottom. And yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. The little dots in the middle are for the diodes. Yeah. So that's, I forgot where I was going with that. Oh yeah, the keyboard, and that's what it looks like, I guess. Sorry, I am all over the place. I suppose like we can start with text. Make it just text to like. I'm gonna do a little thing for my girlfriend, cause you already know that I love her. How do I switch the? Is it normal for it to be this pixel? Oh god. I have to move this. And then I'm gonna edit it by clicking on it again. There's gotta be a way to edit this. And do move. Oh, yeah, I can. Just click on it. Okay, now. Let's see. Let's try that. Not that. This. Not that. Come on. Okay. Cool. That's about the middle, right? Oh yeah. No, it's not. Trying to. There you go. Right. How do I change the font? I don't like this font at all. Like Times. Does that do something? It doesn't do anything. Yeah, this is not for the weak, I guess. How do you redo if you can? Whatever. Right, so if we do this, like look, that's not in the middle and it's bothering me, but we shall work on. Let's see how something that looks now. Okay, now let's go export as, yeah, perfect. And we're gonna just go to pictures, I guess. That's interesting. Okay. Now we go. Let me close design. This is, oh no. Wrong Incorrect. Oh man. Hopefully we're still alive. I am. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. And now we go here. Now let's go and... Huh? Where did we go? Huh? Did I go into documents? Pictures? Why is it? Into documents, like... What? What's going on here? Save into pictures and I'll do. Oh my god, it's not. So confused. This is pretty annoying. Does not work. Is that allowed? What? I do apologize for this inconvenience if anybody is watching. Okay, whatever. Saved it. So better. Total. And then save this. Whoa. Okay. Export. JPEG. Okay, now can I do it? Save settings. Okay, it failed. Maybe. It did not fail. Let's flip, actually. Yeah, let's do that. Let's generate the code. And all we gotta do is copy this into... Alright, actually I'm gonna close this and that because I'm gonna just open it from here. Next. Oh, I need to plug it in. Not now. And it recognized that. Cool. Okay. So then we paste the necessary bitmap conversion. Oh, and it says what I want it to, and then 2 and 3. That's epic, epic, epic. Let's see if I can show you guys. Oh, it's right here. Actually, I probably can't because these red lights are so, or LEDs are so blinding. I can't even see them through my finger. Well, right, the long one is the text. And it looks very good. Looks spectacular. Could make it bigger for sure. But wow. Wow, it was simple, but oh, accidentally touched the screen with the wire. Okay. Oh, that's super cool. Now it's saying things. Just amazing. And now, as we close this for now, open GIMP. This time, no terminal in the way. Let's create a new image. And do the same thing. 128 by 32. And now this time, if I it's like import an image maybe. I don't really necessarily want to be honest, but like, canvas. Okay, what do we want to do? Like, I feel like a no-brainer would be the layer number. Actually, I have a bright idea. So what I'm gonna do? Oh, this is awesome. Is it? Yeah. Brave browser logo. Honestly, I could probably just do this from here. I'm gonna try it. Choose files. Go to Brave, and let's see how that ends up looking. Let's change the dimensions on this to what we wanted them to be. Not to fill the canvas. No, I'll keep doing this. Like, you see how that's too small though? It's like too small for the thing to understand what it is. If I copy the picture, try to paste something. Something's loading. I guess, I don't want the text. You see this, I mean, like, that's the colors that I need. If I copy this, I really want to paste it in here. File. Paste. Doesn't seem. Okay. Well, let's save this as Brave. And go here. Like, that's already kind of what we have. Which this one. 28. This one's naturally smaller. Did I do that backwards? Let's just reload this. I guess that's a little more recognizable, and it's definitely because the size. We want it to be black background though, and white. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so and the use case for this, because it just, you know, it's kind of random doing this, I guess, if you don't have a context. Obviously, I use Brave. Well, I don't know if that's. Yeah, I guess it is obvious if you look just right there. I use Brave, so like. So I'm gonna have a layer that provides browser shortcuts. Oh, dang. I messed up. I would show you guys, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna do that. Thank God I don't have to save like any pictures. Wow, you guys have no idea. I was having so much issues earlier with a different USB-C connection. I was having to like reset my board. It was such a bad. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to do it actually right now. Never mind. I guess it's not just that USB-C connection. I guess it's just. I did read that the Pro Micro has some issues. Will it be? Oh, it's recognized now. Let's short it for now. Currently, you can't see, but I am shorting my board while it comes up, and then do that. Okay, and it's probably gonna say probably. Oh, never mind. Okay, awesome. And I can show you guys again. No views. No views. I swear it's only when I make what's it called? Making beats. I make beats. The one after this is the Brave logo. You can't see it, but on my end it looks pretty good. As you can tell it is. Okay, and then my next logo that I would need to use is Kitty. No, I think maybe do more general terminal logo, terminal emulator logo, I guess, which could just be a copy and paste, but like I wanted something a little bit more modern. I could use this, but I don't want to. If I used Ghosty, that would be super cool. Because Ghosty's logo is pretty cool. Let's see. I guess maybe. The only problem with it, I guess, no, there's really not a problem because this one would work almost really, not almost, it would work very well because it's really small. This one's big. I'm gonna use this one. Let's see, images. Kitty. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Okay, and we're just gonna readjust the sizes of this. 32. Alright, that's pretty sick. I mean, that's all you gotta do. And I don't know if you've anyone, well, I guess, to the people who are watching this after I've streamed it, I'll change the names of the, I guess I should, oh my gosh, okay, boom, now rename this terminal, and change this over here to terminal. I think I copied and pasted it. Don't disconnect. Oh. Don't disconnect. Oh, it's done. Boom, and it's working. This one looks so much better. I guess it could use like maybe some upsizing. No, actually, that's pretty good. Boom. Boom. Okay. I wish I had a better camera to show. Oh, I still have to face it. Camera, whatever. What was I gonna say? Oh, I have a great idea, but I don't know if I even have time. I have to get up pretty soon. Gonna grab a cable known as an HDMI cord. Oh. No. Who's excited to watch UFC 318? Me. I'm actually really excited. I don't have work tomorrow, which means I'm gonna be not having to worry about anything until it starts. Well, other than being epic and a good, and just hanging out with my girlfriend, a beautiful, lovely wife. Okay, sorry, this is taking a sec. I'm gonna go ahead and move my YouTube chat, like, hello. It's not working. I wonder why it's not working. Can't pause the stream. Or isn't it working? Sorry about the freaking AC. It's pretty loud. traffic. It is now moved. I guess I can move this. No, just keep that there. Wait, can you? Yeah, you can. Okay. Now move this to 4. 4. As in 4. This is oh, well, not worked, but it worked. I want to move it to 4. That's pretty funny. Okay, actually, well, since it doesn't. Oh, it's already. Okay, I just move this to 4. Actually, no, I'll move this to 4. And I'll move this to 2. Okay, cool. Sorry about that. I'm like super slacking right now. Okay, this is fun. Okay, what am I doing? Oh yes, I'm gonna add another. Did I already? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, I just switched. Okay, now next use case, right? Next use case would be to find another picture. You guys are not gonna be able to see the picture. What's another one? There's a terminal. Oh, a Hyperland. Window manager. Window manager. Logo. Like, I find. Linux window manager logo, maybe that'll. I think the Hyperland logo is cool, but not to be that guy, but it's pretty boring. Over here to 1, I guess. And gonna close this and open it here. Play music in the background really quietly. Hopefully it's quiet for you guys too. I'm gonna go ahead. Okay. Like if we go to Hyperland logo, like this is what shows up, right? Little dot. You know, for fun, I'm gonna not do this right now. I'm gonna use CatchyOS. It's a little too big for me. I mean, not for me, but I think that's better. Yeah. This is gonna monochrome it on its own, but was it a PNG? You guys can't see this in my gosh. That's not. Oh, it's doing. Oh, that's pretty cool. I mean, not really. It's kind of annoying, but. Easier than Arch. That's pretty funny. This would be cool. This is nice. Oh. I was like, oh wow, that looks cool. That's like a. Looks 8-bit. Ish. Well, things are good. I like this one. Let's see what happens if I download this one. What is it, brother? What if I do just... I hate doing this. I've had to do it with like my Fast Fetch. Always had to do an Arch logo. Which, like, who cares? But I care. Truly. Oh gosh. I missed a call. Beautiful it is. Nah, not actually. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We're gonna flash it again, and we're gonna see an Arch logo. If it'll. Okay, cool. Oh, it shows Arch. I use Arch, by the way. You can't see it because my quality is terrible. That's Brave. That's Kitty. Oh, that's Arch right there. You can tell because it's a triangle. This is quite. If I were to. Can I get like system information from probably, but do I want to? No. Okay. Well, don't mind me using my mouse to navigate. Just lazy. Brave, Kitty, Arch. The Arch one looks pretty solid as well. What else is important? What logos are important? Let me check actually something before I do that. S63 Sketch uses programs. So what? I almost had to. Nah, almost. We're good. What other logos are important? Because I have seen, so obviously the idea of using multiple layers isn't like new, but so I saw somebody that did something similar, of course, with a screen to indicate the layer they're on. But they use numbers. So, sorry, they use numbers instead of like when I'm doing pictures. And I feel like that's a little. I mean, you gotta memorize like which one. Like I'm sure it's not that difficult, especially if you make your own config. But oh, this would have been sick. Minus the text. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna use pictures, and I think that's a lot easier, more straightforward than like I don't know. It's a little less daunting to memorize. What's it called? Like layers of different shortcut layers. But now to figure out what I'm just gonna open it here because you guys can't see. I also can't see the chat. Average view duration. Is that me watching my own live? It's funny. Okay, now. To think of another logo. So I think the arch will represent the like Hyperland config, like the OS. Brave of course will be browser. Terminal is terminal. Which I guess copy and paste. Like how would I represent general use? There's this for, what's the word? For N or for Vim key presses and whatnot. To be fair to people, I guess. Oh yeah, see that's not gonna work. Too many colors. Black and white version. I'll be good. Black and white. How do you represent code? I just use Vim. Like that. Okay. That's fair. I guess I could. That's kind of cool, I guess. Matrix. screen should not orangey. Oh my gosh. These are probably small enough, but let's see. Maybe I can just make some text that says if else. That's all code is. I could probably even just make this myself. There's like music. Maybe like equalizer PNG. Where it's like something like this, like Kava. Like this. This epic sauce. This is pretty awesome. The only problem really can be that it doesn't render correctly. Because that's kind of bad. You can kind of tell what it is there. I'm gonna have to make it fit. Can you even tell what that is? Looks like a whole bunch of nothing. I guess we can do. Oh no, but then that. Yeah, so you can't really tell what that is. I need something this visible. That's valid. But this is, it's pretty cool. No, not that. I did have an idea to do like give me 1 second to log in. So bad. Don't get me. No, that's fine. For now. Yeah, I don't think it's very accurate to do 32 by 32 on all of them because that's not even what size they are. Now, let's see. How much memory did that take up? 65, still the same. Cool. See, now I have that music. Not bother. Let's look at this, man. This is so awesome. Oh my god. Why did no one tell me I've been covering the freaking browser? is fine. But then like I don't know. Okay. I was covering freaking browser the whole time. I have Gava on my little OLED screen. It was freaking okay, what we're doing. Code one. Why did I not do this? I can't really get code. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this here because it is doing pretty late. But really hope more than likely like this. Let's go. I'll most definitely come back and work on this further. Thanks for watching, yeah.